Hi everyone, wish you a very happy and prosperous Diwali 2022. So today I'll be taking you through this video where I've got some small little things for this year Diwali. I have got some small little things which I'm going to show you. The first thing is these kind of small cloth which is for puja mandir. And the price is, I've got it from a local shop and the price is 35 rupees. There were bigger sizes also and there were small sizes also. Here you can place your Bhagwan Murti, you can place over it and you can do puja. It is also washable and it is velvet. So the next things are these two brass balls where you can place flowers and candles and you can decorate in Diwali at your entrance door or even in front of your puja mandir. So, and I'll take you through the prices of these bowls. The actual price is 600, but it cost me around 540 after 10% discount. These also I got it from a local brass shop. So, and then these are the smaller ones which you saw just now, and this bowl is a bigger one. We were having different varieties of this brass bowl also, but I got a medium size. This is a medium size bowl which you can place anywhere at any corner or anywhere you like or near your entrance door. It will look very aesthetic when you place all the flowers and candles and everything. And yeah, the shine is great and you can also clean it. You can do dry cleaning, you can do wet cleaning with the pitambari powder that is available in the market. Usually I do with that. And the price of this one is 1200 rupees, and after 10% discount I got it at 1080 rupees. So, and then this is another wooden plate which I got it just to keep some dry fruits or something and to serve during Diwali or any festival. Whoever comes to our house, you can serve anything you can serve in this small wooden plate, and this cost me around 369 rupees. 369 after discount. This is also from the local handloom shop. This is also from a local shop. And then I will take you to two lamps or diya holders. I think these are called diya holders only. These are diyas, long. These are also made of brass. I got two of these. And the price of this one is actually 1250 rupees, but I got it at 1125 rupees after again 10% discount. So it cost me 1125. So then another beautiful thing which I got is toran. These are called toran. I got 2-3 different varieties of toran. I'll be showing you. This one, these all are from local shops. This is from the same handloom shop from where I got these brass diyas and brass bowls. And then this one has Ganesha idols in it on these leaves, and this is like this. You can just hang it. And then yeah, I got it at a price of 198 rupees, again from the same local handloom shop. So this one, see, it is very beautiful. I'm planning it to hang it on the puja mandir. So I'll show you guys after decorating all these items, puja mandir. So after that I got another toran which I'll be showing you. It is like this. This is also of white pearl, and then you have this like this. These are the single ones, and this is so. Let me know in the comment box which product you liked the most, and this is it, you can see. And then the last item is nothing but a beautiful decorating plate. This is again brass. This is the star item. So you can see a peacock on it, and this is like meenakari work. This is like a meenakari work on brass. And yeah, this the back side also is so beautiful. Like, I can't even tell you guys how beautiful this is. And this cost me around 630 rupees. 630 rupees after discount, after 10% discount. So this is the front. This is the front one. This is a peacock. I'll be showing you very close. So this is the back side. The back side is also work. Entire back side is also meenakari work is there, golden. And this one is red, green, blue, everything. It's so beautiful. You all can see. Anyway, so these are the very little things that I purchased this year Diwali. And yeah, I'm going to, there are a few things which are left out, that is like mitti ka diya, so that I'm planning to buy today. So anyway, see you all in my next video. Wish you a very happy Diwali again, and bye bye, love you all.